Simple past tense, indicative mood. Simple past tense is a sentence that indicates that the action ended in the past. Now see the active voice. Subject plus past verb object. And passive voice. Object plus was verb plus past participle plus by. Now see the first example. Active voice. I finished the homework before the dinner. Passive voice. The homework was finished by me before the dinner. Active voice. He watched a movie with his friends on Friday. Passive voice. A movie was watched by him with his friends on Friday. Active voice. She baked a cake for her brother's birthday. Passive voice. A cake was baked by her for her brother's birthday. Active voice. I cleaned the house on Saturday morning. Passive voice. The house was cleaned by me on Saturday morning. Active voice. The student completed the projects on time. Passive voice. The projects were completed by the student on time. Active voice. She painted her bedroom with bright color. Passive voice. Her bedroom was painted by her with bright color. Active voice. She bought a new dress for the party. Passive voice. A new dress was bought by her for the party. Active voice. He planted the flowers in the garden last spring. Passive voice. The flowers were planted in the garden by him last spring. Active voice. We watched the sunset from the hilltop. Passive voice. The sunset was watched by us from the hilltop. Active voice. He fixed the broken fence in the backyard. Passive voice. The broken fence was fixed by him in the backyard. Active voice. I found my lost keys under the couch. Passive voice. My lost keys were found under the couch. Active voice. She sang a beautiful song at the talent show. Passive voice. A beautiful song was sung by her at the talent show. Active voice. She forgot her umbrella at the cafe. Passive voice. Her umbrella was forgotten at the cafe. Active voice. He played the piano during the family gathering. Passive voice. The piano was played by him during the family gathering. Active voice. I cooked the dinner for my family last night. Passive voice. The dinner was cooked for my family last night. Active voice. He took the pictures during the hike. Passive voice. The pictures were taken by him during the hike. Active voice. She lost her phone at the shopping mall. Passive voice. Her phone was lost at the shopping mall. Active voice. She read a book every day. Passive voice. A book was read by her every day. Active voice. The teacher explained the lesson well. Passive voice. The lessons were explained by the teacher well. Active voice. The cat chased the mouse. Passive voice. The mouse was chased by the cat. Active voice. She wore a red dress on a special occasion. Passive voice. A red dress was worn by her on special occasions. Active voice. The chef cooked the delicious meal. Passive voice. The delicious meals were cooked by the chef. Active voice. He painted the beautiful landscapes. Passive voice. The beautiful landscapes were painted by him. Active voice. She organized her decks neatly. Passive voice. Her decks was organized by her neatly. Active voice. He fixed the cars at his garage. Passive voice. The cars were fixed at his garage. Active voice. She painted her nails on weekends. Passive voice. Her nails were painted on weekends. Active voice. He mowed the lawn every Saturday. Passive voice. The lawn was mowed every Saturday. Active voice. The driver took the license. Passive voice. The license was taken by the driver. Active voice. The Automobile Association deferred the race. Passive voice. The race was deferred by the Automobile Association. Active voice. The peller uprooted the log. Passive voice. The log was uprooted by the peller. In next tutorial, I will bring you tenses in English grammar with meaningful lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.